Well, there are all sorts of fun camps that North Texas students are enjoying this summer, but have you ever heard of drone camp?
Well, this week, some Dallas elementary students are taking the controls and getting a hard start to science learning. Meteorologist Jeff Jameson caught up with them for today's Weather 101 and some science stuff.
Gleeful outbursts from 7-year-olds are not unusual, especially during the summer break from school. But these kids are not shooting hoops inside this gym. Today, it's flying drones. This is Drone Camp Week at Alcuin School in Dallas. This camp is put on by Drobots, a company that partners with Alcuin to bring a lift to the summer doldrums.
We can teach kids to fly drones safely. It intertwines with the STEM program because we have pilots, we have navigators, engineers, scouts, and they're all working together as a team in order to get the drones to fly and learning about safety as they move along.
Now you have to try to fly it through the hoop.
Campers like Annabelle Murray are getting a shot behind the controls.
Okay, a little to the side, and I'll go straight forward. I like how they look.
Yeah.
They look kind of cute to me.
Do you have a drone?
No.
No? You want one?
Yeah.
They're so excited. It's opening up their eyes in new ways they maybe not have explored before. You know, gets kids off the couch, gets kids maybe instead of doing something more sedentary, to do something active this summer. And what better way to do that than not only exercising your body, but also your brain?
Well, besides being able to learn how to fly a drone safely and learn from all of these experts, these students are also getting a second benefit, being able to stay inside where it's a bit cooler.
A day camp that drones on, and it's never been more fun.
There you go. You are awesome.
It was fun being out there. You know, those kids were not outside in the heat,
Right.
but they were also having fun and learning at the same time.
That's so cute. And did you really say that? Drones on
Drones
and on?
on and on. Yeah.
It's really cute, actually. I love that, though. That's really neat.
Yeah, it's not the camps that I used to go to.
Not at all.
That's pretty good stuff,
Yeah.
though, really. And like you said, to be inside, that's nice,
Right.
too.